Hello everyone, this video is about how to realize icon page trends on screen by DWIN. There are 4 parts for today's video. Firstly, let's take a look at the project effect on the screen. Before the settings, you need some simple preparations. The pictures, designed according to your wanted effects. Attention! There is a picture which is larger than your project's resolution. It should be named at least 1000. Open the DWIN software. Create a new project. Choose the resolution and storage path according to your needs. Upload the main pictures. Generate the ICL files of the main pictures and icon pictures separately. Next, let's see some explanations of the icon page trends parameters. The coordinates and display area width and height. Icon name definition. SP address can be neglected with this icon setting. VP address, variable storage space. Users can use address range arbitrarily, 0 multiple 1000 to 0 multiple FFFF. The bit icon occupies a maximum of 3 space addresses. That is, the non-associated control key addresses need to be spaced apart. Icon file, naming according to the flash division, which is from 0 to 63, generated in advance, and place it to the DWIN set folder for calling. Icon ID, make needed pictures into icon library to call. Transparency. Transparent is the filter background color, that is, the background is not displayed, otherwise, the background is displayed. Filter set. The range is 0 to 63. The higher the value, the stronger the filter background color. And the icon page movement direction. Now, let's begin the detailed settings on the software. We will add the sliding target at this area. Choose the icon display. Select icon page trends. Set at the right place. As the definition shows, the SP address no need to count, so we begin with the VP address. Set as 1000 here, you can define as you like. Choose the corresponding icon file and the icon. We also need to add a touch control module to realize the sliding touch. Here we choose the sliding icon cell. The VP address, same as the icon page trends, and select the sliding direction as you need. Here is lateral. If you want to add some touch effect on this place, You can also add touch control module on the icon page. Choose the Touch Control Basic Touch module. Select the touch effect. You can neglect it too. And choose the corresponding switching page. Same settings with the next 5 icons. Then, page 1 to page 6. We also use icon page trends and sliding icon cell, setting explanations same as the first page. Pay attention, page 1 to page 6 are with the same VP address. I set them as 2000 here. You can set as you like, just need to avoid 1000. Finally, we need to add a basic touch module on page 1 to page 6 for page switching, so that we can always back to the first page to choose other icons. Now, all the software settings are done. Click Save and Generate. Download the project to the screen by SD card. Let's review the effect on the screen. Thanks for watching.